Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. So I'm going to be presenting to you my second rewards box from Young Living. Now this month I decided that I was going to do another starter kit because I was running low on mine and I wanted another book. And I wanted another diffuser for my home, so the starter kit is such a great deal. I chose to purchase another one. And I figured, well, it's great because I didn't get to do a revealing for my first starter kit. So in this way, you'll be able to see exactly what comes in a starter kit. So this one I picked was a Desert Mist diffuser, and it comes with the same kit as the Dewdrop diffuser, except for it's a different diffuser. So I'm really excited to show you what's in the package. I also was able to receive my personal value points of over 100 this month because of the starter kit. So I also received a free gift, and that I'll show you also. So here we go, and I'm really excited for you to see what's in the package. And like my videos, subscribe to my page and click the bell so when I upload another video you'll automatically get notified. So in this box, now I only got the English version, I didn't get the French version. The first starter kit that I did purchase was a bilingual one, so I got French and English because I live in Quebec. So it was just made more sense for me, but I don't need it this time, so I just got the English. So the first thing is the nice product book, which is a very big book. It's 134 pages, and it tells you all about all the different essential oils and the prices, whether it's retail or wholesale prices, so you can show it to different people. It gives you your personal value points. It's very nice, and it breaks it down into the different types of blends that Young Living has, whether it's for the cooking, whether it's blended, whether it's just plain oils. Very nice. So you receive that in your starter kit. You also receive this box, which is really, really nice. Now I have one from my first one, which holds a lot of my essential oils that I receive. And so take the wrapping off, the box slides out, and we open it up. So in the box, you get all your essential oils that comes with the kit. So there's 10 different essential oils. Pull this out so you can see it. So it comes like that. You can use it like as a picture frame book on a shelf. So you got Sobia, you got Di-Gize, Frankincense, Lavender, Lemon, Panaway, which is really nice. I use this for my headaches. I put it in a roller ball, and I really like that. Peppermint, Purification, RC, which is a mix of like eucalyptus nut, and Thieves. This one is my absolute favorite out of all the essential oils for Young Living. Is the Thieves products. It's a mixture of cloves and cinnamon and eucalyptus. It's really nice. I like that. It's one of my favorites. So I'll take, in the box underneath the essential oils, there's another compartment. You take that out. You have the Thieves hand purifier, which is really nice. It's travel size, so you can stick it in your bag, stick it in your kids' book bags for at school. It's really a nice product. There's also Northern Lights Black Spruce essential oil. There is the red energy drink, juice drink from Concentrate from Young Living. You get 2 sample packs, which is really nice. It's a nice drink, and you can throw it in like your bag to go to work, and it's really, really nice. Or you can give it out as samples if you're planning on selling the products. If not, you're using it for yourself. It's really nice travel packs. You also get 10 sample bottles for if you're giving out samples, or if you want to just put a little bit of essential oil into a bottle and stick it in your bag. It's really great for that. You also get 1 roller ball. And this roller ball is for the big essential oil bottles and not the little sample ones. So this is really nice. You also in the package get cards that explain the different products, and they go with your sample bottles that you can hand out if you're giving it to friends or anything like that. So in these, you have the description, and you can put more information, contact information on the back if you want to put your phone number and stuff. And in the inside, it tells you all about the different essential oil. So Panaway is a soothing essential oil blend with wintergreen, Herlicium, I can't say that properly, clove, peppermint, and it's great to use following physical activity, so any straining on your muscles and stuff. Apply after a strenuous workout for a refreshing cool down. So it's really, really nice, and it has a little hole where you can pop it out and stick your bottle in it. So you'll know which ones are in each bottle every time if you're giving it out as samples. In the top of the box, in this section, you can get your book, well, pamphlets on all the different products, what it is to be a member of Young Living, the different essential oils and how you use them that are in your kit, how to share Young Living. So this is essential oils at a glance. So they're cardboard pullouts, and it talks about all the different essential oils, how to use them, if it's a diffuser, if it's for a rub, or if it's for your skin. There's a roadmap of Young Living and how they process and get all their products. So it's really nice. There's a lot of information in this package. And it comes bilingual, that section. So I'm going to put these aside. The next thing is the diffuser. And this one is the Desert Mist Diffuser. So it runs 5 to 6 hours continuously on high output. On low output, it runs for 8 hours continuously. And then in the intermediate mode, it runs for 10 hours, 1 minute on, 1 minute off. So it will run for 1 minute, shut off for a minute, run for a minute. And it has multiple light functions. It has 10 color options. And a candle flicker mode. The lights run independently, and there's a 1-year warranty on it. This must be the battery. Yeah, that's not the battery, but the plug. That's quite a big box, so. Desert Mist Diffuser. So it's plastic, and you just pull off the top, the cover, and here's your insides. So this top is so that the water doesn't spray everywhere. It goes back in the center. So it's important that you line this up. It has a piece here and a piece there. And then you put your water in there. So it can only go in on a certain way. It locks. You have your power and your light mode. It has the Young Living name there. Yep, it's very nice. I wasn't sure of the color it was going to be, if it was going to be a white or if it was an off-white, and it's more of an off-white. You can see the difference here. So it's really nice. It'll go with a lot of decor. So And it's heavy. Even though it's plastic, it's heavy enough that I wouldn't be worried about it being on a counter or anything. So it's nice. The next thing in my package is my free item that I received. And that is the cedar wood essential oil. So every month Young Living has specials. So if you have so many personal value points, you can receive a free product, and this was the free product that it was for over 100 personal value points, because when you order a starter kit, it's 100 personal value points. So I got a 15 milliliter of cedar wood. So I haven't used the cedar wood before. I haven't smelt it yet, so this is the first time. Yeah, and it's like you just cut your cedar hedge outside. It's very nice. I like that. I think it'll be a nice blend this winter. And I'll pair it up with pine and stuff, and it should be really nice. So also in my Essential Rewards box, I ordered a new product. Now, I'm very big on the food flavoring essential oils. I love cooking with them. I've done a few recipes with them already, and I plan to do some more, especially with winter coming and stuff. This one that I just received is parsley. And parsley is really good. I love making parsley water with some lemon. So now instead of having to boil a cup of parsley with my water to make it and letting it sit, I can just add a couple drops of the parsley food flavoring. So I'm really excited about this and adding it to different recipes. And it smells like just fresh chopped parsley, so it's really, really nice. It's not an artificial or anything smell, and it's not blended with anything, so it's really, really nice. I can't wait to try it. So that's it, and that's my box. That's the starter kit for Young Living. You have 4 different types of starter kits with Young Living. The first one that I had gotten was with the Dewdrop Diffuser. It was all the same stuff, just with a different diffuser. And the Dewdrop is the one that's over here. And you can get a Thieves starter kit and a Young Living juice starter kit. So they're all different, just a little bit. This one I liked because I want to put it in a bedroom, so I wanted the nicer Dewdrop, the nicer diffuser. And that's it. So I hope you liked my video. Subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell so that way you can get future videos from me. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.